Amy Westheimer here with Cincinnati Commercial Contracting, and here with Ken.
Ken Lair, LCNB National Bank, Senior Vice President, Branch Administration.
Good. Do you feel like you got a high quality product?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, and hopefully you felt that way when you walked in.
Yeah, it's a beautiful branch.
It's a nice presentation, and it's a well-constructed building, I think.
Good. Did you come in under budget?
I think we came in right about at budget, but that budget was well below our last building.
So you experienced the savings with the design build concept?
Did, very much so. From a pricing standpoint, we saved money. We got a very good product, a very good location, I think. So, yeah, very comfortable with the decision.
And you'd recommend them to a friend?
Certainly.
Oh, good.
Certainly, and I've recommended them to other bankers, people who would ask to see it. And I think CCC has asked, and again, to me, that's part of the relationship. CCC's asked if someone else could come see the building. Quite certainly they can. We're proud of it. We'll show it off. Frankly, I look forward to building another bank with CCC. That'd be a very good experience for me.
Wonderful. Well, thank you.
Sure. Anytime.